Hello, dear subscribers. We're living in this time where a lot of division is being experienced, even in households, as this global experiment unfolds. And we need to stand firm in this day and age of deception. If ever there was a time to focus on loving one another, that time would be just now, which is, first and foremost, loving others through the sharing of the gospel of salvation. And that is very pertinent to say, because part of the gospel of salvation is about not taking the mark of the beast. Friends, what is being rolled right now, make no mistake, that experimental needle with the syringe, that is the mark of the BEAST. I am concerned because there are quite a few on YouTube and even perhaps elsewhere on other platforms where they are alluding that what is being rolled out is a beta test. It's a prelude, it's a precursor rather than the actual mark. Now, I believe that these people are well-intentioned, but they are saying it out of ignorance. When I say out of ignorance, because they do not have a scientific or a medical background. So please, let's make it clear. What is being rolled out right now, the needle and the syringe, what is being rolled out globally, it is the mark. Make no mistake. I hope I am clear. A mark, if you want to check it out in Strong's Concordance, in Greek is translated to a sharp object, a sharp stick or a sharp needle. Charagma. That's the Greek word, charagma. You can look it up yourselves in Strong's Concordance. And if you had to check what the Hebrew word for right hand is, the Hebrew word speaks of the right hand and the right arm being the same thing. They have a word in the Hebrew that, when used, can refer to the right arm and the right hand simultaneously. So let's stop this argument because saying it's not in the right hand because it's in the right arm. The Hebrew word is referring to both of them together. So why are we in Luke chapter 12? Verse 51. Suppose ye that I am come to give peace on earth, I tell you nay, but rather division. For from henceforth there shall be 5 in one house divided, 3 against 2, and 2 against 3. The father shall be divided against the son, and the son against the father, the mother against the daughter, and the daughter against the mother-in-law against her daughter-in-law, and the daughter-in-law against her mother-in-law. And he said also to the people, when ye see a cloud rise out of the west straightway, ye say, there cometh a shower, and so it is. And when ye see the south wind blow, ye say, there will be heat, and it cometh to pass. Ye hypocrites, Ye can discern the face of the sky and of the earth, but how is it that ye do not discern this time? Yea, and why even of yourselves judge ye not what is right? So, we now are discerning and even seeing that there is division even in households, not only at the place of work or between friends, between those who have enrolled in this global experiment, the guinea pigs, and the guinea pigs will now start looking angrily at those who do not want to enroll in the global experiment, and you understand why I have to use code words. There will, there will be division. What were our friends will no longer be our friends. You will start noting that so-called friends that were never friends when you think about it, they start falling away from you because you are not in line with what they're doing. So a sort has been driven between you and your friends, and now even in families. I'm sure you have noticed even in comments people who say that their entire family have offered themselves to be guinea pigs. And now they're putting pressure on the single person remaining who does not want to enroll in taking the needle with the syringe.